Shortly before 10 a.m. yesterday, Monday the 29th of September 2025, Garda received a call at a domestic residence at Drumgowna, Tallanstown in County Louth. On arrival at the house, uniformed Garda discovered three persons deceased: Mark O'Connor, aged 54, Louise O'Connor, aged 56, and their son, Evan O'Connor, aged 27. The O'Connor family are very well known and respected family. They are very good neighbours and friends and an integral part of the local community in Drumgowna, but also in the extended area across the counties of Louth and Monaghan. A family liaison officer has been assigned to support the O'Connor family. And Garda O'Connor will keep the family informed of the ongoing investigation, and we will support them in every way possible as they come to terms with this terrible tragedy. I am appealing for privacy for the family at this time. And Garda O'Connor, we will also closely support the local community in the Drumgowna and surrounding areas over the coming days and weeks as they also come to terms with the violent death of their neighbours. Shortly after the Gardaí arrived at the house yesterday morning, other Gardaí responding arrested a male nearby, aged in his 30s, in connection with this homicide incident. The male is currently detained at a Garda station in the Louth area under Section 4 of the Criminal Justice Act 1984. Garda O'Connor are today continuing an investigation into all the circumstances of this family tragedy. The scene remains subject of an ongoing forensic investigation by the Garda National Technical Bureau and divisional search teams. The offices of the coroner and the state pathologist have been notified. Yesterday evening, the remains of the deceased were removed from the scene to Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital in Drogheda. Post-mortem examinations will commence this morning. An instant room has been established at RD Garda Station. In addition, a senior investigating officer has been appointed to oversee this investigation. And Garda O'Connor are not looking for any other person at this juncture in connection with this investigation. And finally, I would appeal to anybody who has not come forward yet or who has not spoken to Garda O'Connor yet to come forward and talk with the investigating team. They can contact us here at Drogheda Garda Station at 041 987 4200. They can ring the Garda confidential line 1800 666 111, or they can contact any Garda station or indeed any member of Garda O'Connor that they feel they can talk to. Thank you very much.